What's up, guys? It's Blake with Y2K. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to check out a very special car, a Ferrari 348 Speciale. It's number 95 of 100 made. It's a very rare car. When we get there, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's got a really cool story, as you would expect from a vintage Ferrari. The ownership history is just it's pretty crazy. So I'm going to jump in the car with my buddy Evan, and we're going to go check out the Ferrari, and we'll see y'all there. What's up, guys? We were on the way to go look at the Ferrari, and the Lamborghini sheared the water pump off. So if you look down here, you can see it at all. The drive belt is just completely off. I got a low battery light, and then looked, and I noticed that the engine was starting to overheat a little bit, and the voltage was way down. So it's getting ready to go on the tow truck. And then it's going to get a new water pump, and I guess we're going to do the AC at the same time now. I wasn't planning on doing it right away, but that's what's going to happen, unfortunately. So no Ferrari today, but I guess we'll have AC at one point now since we have to do this.
How fast you go?
202? 202? Yeah, 202. Yeah. So, right now, 0. Tow truck's here, guys. And get her on. We have confirmed it is the water pump, 100%. So
I'm gonna have you put it in neutral, and then I'm gonna pull it up, and then put it back in park, and I'm gonna put wheel straps on all the wheels.
it's in neutral. The brake's off. Clearing.
Just don't miss. Slow down, slow down.
Hold on. Yep.
Yeah, so then that'll should limp you enough. I think once you're over that, it's probably still gonna set down.
Or do you want to scoot it in more so the second is the second lift?
Hold it, hold it. There we go. That'll lift you on the side.
Yes, it rocks.
Slow car props.
There we go. Alright. Alright. Double foot it so that you can lay on the brakes. You'll need 4 inches. A little more. Yep, you're good. A little more. Right, yeah, right there. Can you lift it up now? There you go. Yeah, all right. All right. Come forward.
Come this way.
Yeah, you're good. All Lock on, yep. Yep, fully clear.
All right, guys, we got the Diablo loaded up, and it's going to Destin Imports. I think I'm probably going to have them repair it. The only other choice is to ship it to Atlanta. Tony does a good job, so I guess we're going to be documenting a water pump and AC replacement now. So, interesting change of events from a 348 Speciale to a broken Diablo, but that is the life of Y2K vintage car ownership. It's the price you pay to have a car that is amazing. So, at the end of the day, it's just a water pump. It's not that big of a deal. It can be easily fixed. So we will fix it and get her back on the road. We're gonna head to Destin Imports now and get everything unloaded, and then I'll show you some shots of what actually broke. It's the water pump, but we can get actually a better view of it. If we can't do it today, we'll do it tomorrow when it's on the lift. Oh, it's close. Is it gonna hit? Oh, it's gonna go up.
Slow, inch.
We're unloading it.
Alright, turn your wheel turn your wheel that way just a hair.
Yeah, it doesn't have power steering.
Just a hair. Keep going, keep going. How's he look on that side, Tom? Perfect. Alright, ease back. Alright, there's a post back. Other way, hold on.
This is quite the process, guys. Tony does a good job.
There we go.
One broken Lamborghini, ladies and gentlemen. It's always a little nerve-wracking, but Tony always takes care of me. Took a village. Took all these people, see? All these people.
It's really cool in there, huh? Pretty cool. How will I inside?
It's a furnace.
Yeah.
Yeah, you volunteered for the wrong job, my friend.
It is freaking hot in there.
Alright, now he said get the hell out of his car.
Ever been there?
No.
I'll drive it in there, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
All right, we got to pull it in there, right there.
Blake.
Tony's checking out the Delica. I'm gonna bid you guys adieu. There's not much else to see today. When they get on the lift, we'll do some shots and kind of try and document the water pump and the AC compressor. Something was bound to happen. It's been a good 5 or 6 month run in this car, so I'm not upset. Anyways, we'll see you guys next video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Liking is important. Please like and subscribe. So we'll see you guys next video. Sorry we didn't see the Ferrari today, but you did see a Lamborghini breakdown, so maybe that makes up for something. I'm not sure. But we'll see you guys next video. Thanks for hanging around.